Hi guys, it's Cody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made the surprise cosplay that I did not plan originally, and that was Ren from New East. First, I'm going to start with the t-shirt. This t-shirt was pretty easy as I really just had to add a design onto a plain t-shirt. So I first created a design in canva.com to kind of give a nice little nod to New East as well as the fandom love. I then mirrored the image, printed it out on transfer paper, and used the transfer paper instructions to iron it on. And with that, the shirt was done. Although, one little warning I want to give, don't over iron it or you're going to get burns like this. Next up were the pants. I grabbed these black jeans that I've had in my drawer since time immemorial, and the first thing I did was change it to a pair of skinny jeans. I laid out some skinny jeans that I already owned and traced it out to create my pattern. I then took the jeans in at the markings and redid the hem. And the last little detail I wanted to add onto the jeans was a chain. I just grabbed this chain that I used back from when I made my Sailor Pluto costume and sewed it onto the pants. And with that, jeans, check. Next was the vest. I grabbed this crop top that was on clearance at Target, and then I started hacking it apart. First, I cut off the arms, and then cut down the middle. I then hacked off even more down the middle, and rounded out the armholes to complete the look. Next up, the wig. My base wig was this Yu-Gi-Oh wig that I got from several years ago, and the first thing I did was pull the hair up into a ponytail. However, as you can see, I can't fully get all the hair up, especially at the bottom, so I'm gonna add more hair using some wax. I then pulled all the hair into a ponytail and cut off the excess hair. Then I pulled the hair into a faux bun, cut the bangs, and hairsprayed the whole thing. And that completes the wig. Finally, the jacket. I started by combining two patterns that I already owned. The main areas that I focused on were the collar, the neckline, and the armholes. I then cut all pieces out of a bunch of fabric that I had lying around. And a certain somebody wanted to make sure I did everything right. Hey, Papa! I then connected all the pieces together for both the lining and the main fabric. This is pretty standard Mandarin collar, so I'm not going to go into it too much here, but you can go ahead and check out some of my previous videos if you want a more in-depth look on how to do it. The last thing I had to do was the patch. I used some leftover pink fabric that I got from my friend Ariane, attached it to a piece of black felt, satin stitched the edges, added on some black sequin trim that I had from my stash, cut it out, stitched it onto the jacket, and attached a small chain. And with that, my Ren cosplay was finally done. And that's how I made my Ren cosplay. I really hope you guys enjoyed this surprise cosplay. To be honest, I really had no intentions of cosplaying as Ren. However, New East's sudden disbandment really hit me hard, and I just really felt the urge that I had to go ahead and honor my favorite K-pop group of all times. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please feel free to tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more cosplay content from me, or if you want to see me dance, please check out my dance channel. And if you want to support me even more, please feel free to leave a donation on Ko-fi. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye-bye!